there are many types of education, like skill, you are learning skill, you are learning mathematics, you are learning science, you are learning Quran. Anyway, whatever the knowledge, all the knowledge are attributed to Quran and Hadith. Right? They are not exception. But the answer is, all the time the end is, what is your purpose of learning the knowledge? For example, when you are thinking that when I am getting this knowledge of English, for example, and after learning English, I will serve my people. I will help the people come out of the frustration. I will help them get employment in any other field. I will help them. So if your purpose is good, if your niyat, intention is good, Allah Almighty will inshallah reward you. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question.
This. Yeah, our brother has one question. Yeah. Our brother asked about Imran Khan. Imran Khan is one of the great leaders of the century. Every century, it takes centuries to create people. Understand? And they are called men of the century. And Imran Khan is one of them. And you can't easily understand his work.
Sir,
Yeah,
his
thank you.
work. Sir, one question.
And yeah, a brother asked, can you explain his work? Before becoming Prime Minister, it was completely, he performed the impossible job and made the impossible possible by establishing a cancer hospital in Pakistan, which was impossible in the opinion and according to many experts in this field. Because 90% patients are treated free of cost in the Shaukat Khanum Memorial Hospital. And it was a great endeavor for one individual to establish such a hospital, not only one hospital, but also nowadays hospitals in different cities. 4 cancer hospitals have been established, and one university, which is called Namal University, which is established in the Mianwali, I suppose, in the remotest area of Pakistan. And that university is giving international level education to the poor people. 90% of the students they are getting education free of cost. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question. Sir.
He also made your country. He also brought, World Cup in 1992 and many other jobs he performed.
Sir,
Yeah.
why is pig haram, sir?
Big.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Allah Almighty says in Quran that there are many things which are haram, prohibited. Haram means
Prohibited.
you are not allowed to eat. And Allah says there are some benefits, but there are most disadvantages and harmful things in that thing too. So, like sharab, there are some benefits in sharab, but most harmful things also exist in sharab. So therefore Allah says it is haram for you. Likewise the meat of pig, right? Now according to new research in different universities and colleges in the Western countries have proved that the meat of pig create a lot of disturbance in human body. That's why Allah Almighty says it is haram. I hope you are satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
We all
Yeah,
know
that brother or this brother want to ask one question.
why you
Yeah. Yes. This is very good.
This is not.
A brother say why people play PUBG. In my opinion, it is a very good game to keep our young generation busy in useless and meaningless activities, and also destroying your time and your energy and your economy. So I suppose we should avoid PUBG.
Sir,
Yeah.
Educated man. Difference between the experienced man and educated man.
Difference between.
Please turn the camera towards me. Brother asked what a good question. What is the difference between educated men and
Uneducated.
experienced men? So, experience is something you learn from your error, from your errors. Experience something you learn from circumstances. Experience is something you learn from your environment throughout your life. And it is said it takes you your life to get experiences. While education is something, it is confined to some area of study. So the experienced person is much better than the educated person. Yeah, because he has seen life with his own eyes.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a question. You said that PUBG is killing our young time. So why your great leader, Prime Minister Imran Khan, did not ban PUBG?
Yeah, brother, I say very good question. Imran Khan, he has tried his best to ban PUBG. And all of you know the other days, last month he banned on PUBG, and it was delayed for 1 or 2 months.
Yeah.
But then again, because the new generation, again many corrupt people, they forced him to start the PUBG again. Maybe international forces, international monetary forces, which forced Pakistan to start the PUBG again. Yeah,
Sir,
Imran
sir.
Khan doesn't like it.
I have a question, sir. I have a question, sir.
Question.
What
What else?
Quran is,
Quran is.
and he takes everywhere and without a
Our sister, she has a question that we have apps in our mobile, Quran apps and many other Quran and Hadith in form of apps, in form of apps, and we take them sometime to, the mobile is in our pocket and we take it to the washroom. Is it halal or haram? It is good or not? Yeah. So basically whatever apps is in your mobile, computer has its own language. It doesn't mean you have Quran, Hadith in your pocket. It means you have a language, computer translate the language into Quran and Hadith. So it doesn't make difference if you take it to the washroom or not, because it is not in form of Hadith and Quran. It doesn't exist in form of words, it exists in form of language. A very, very different language, just like mathematics.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah. Our sister, yeah, she has a question. The sister has a very good question. Although she should not ask this question in this channel, Peace TV. She has got, what does abbreviation mean? Pakistan Daku Moment. Because these people, they were corrupt and they made a lot of properties outside the country, in England, in Birtaniya, Switzerland, and they are trying to even loot the people. They're still thinking that they will make a government. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question, sir. I also have. Sir, what?
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So this was Peace TV from Khablu Ganche. So Mr. Khadim, who was pretending to be Dr. Zakir Naik. So here's Mr. Khadim.